In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect the Keygrip camera control handle to the RED Komodo camera using Wi-Fi. Open the battery compartment and insert an 18,650 battery. Make sure the battery's polarity is correct. Once the battery is inserted, turn on the power switch. Press the menu button to open the camera menu. Go to Communications, Wi-Fi. Set the mode to Ad Hoc. In the Ad Hoc settings, set an 8-digit numeric password. This is required for the connection to work. Set the band to 2.4 GHz. The handle won't detect the camera on other bands. On the handle, go to Camera Select. Choose Komodo. Press the Mode Switch button to return to the main menu. Go to Wi-Fi. Add device, then select Komodo. Enter the camera's 8-digit password and send the connection request. Wait approximately 30 seconds. Once connected, the handle will automatically switch to control mode. Press the mode switch button to enter menu mode. Go to Function Settings. Here, you can assign camera parameters to each position of the 3-stage lever. For example, to assign from rate FPS to the L position, select L, then choose FPS. Binding is now complete. Press the mode switch button 3 times to return to control mode. To adjust the assigned parameters, e.g., FPS, simply toggle the lever to the L position. Then use the joystick or scroll wheel to make adjustments. Other parameter assignments work the same way. Press the rec button to start or stop recording on the camera. That's the complete guide for connecting the Keygrip camera control handle to the RED Komodo via Wi-Fi.